Blood Sky Sire. Oh, what is going on? 2 breaks in a row. Valky Vartokomos. It's Valky, God of Lies, foil borderless Valky. Wow. It's coming up. Good luck, everybody. Let's try to. This is gonna sound crazy, but I mean, maybe we can get another world tree up in here. That might just be a little too crazy. Bloodline Pretender foil, Vijara Judge of Valor, and a snow-covered forest. We got a Blood Sky Massacre.
Crypt of Eternals. Okay. Did you guys see that? Anybody see that? We have an invocation in this one. Foil. Omniscience! Yes! Woo! Ah! That feels great. That feels great.
Oh! Of course. Of course. For James. Showcase Vorinclex. Nope. Showcase Vorinclex. Oh my God! What? Unbelievable! What a freaking pack! Are you kidding me? We have a land. It's under the Shivan Raptor. Show me. There we go. Show me. Guy's Cradle. Whoa! Oh we got there, baby! Oh my God! Worth the wait!